Hey everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 11 without an internet connection or Microsoft account. So what if someone handed me this laptop to reinstall its operating system, or maybe Windows can detect the network adapter? There used to be a button here to skip this step, but for some reason it's been removed. Anyway, it's quite easy to bypass. Once you've booted your PC from a bootable USB drive, by the way, I have a video on how to easily create one with the original Windows 11 using Microsoft's media creation tool. You'll find the link at the end of this video. So once you've selected your preferences, terms and conditions, the drive to install Windows, your region and keyboard, you'll get the screen where you'll need to connect to a Wi-Fi network. In case Windows can't detect any network adapters, you'll see a screen like this. In both cases, the next button is grayed out. So what you need to do is run the command prompt. Press and hold the Shift key and then press the F10 key. For laptops, if the command prompt doesn't appear, then press and hold the Shift and F10 keys and then press the F10 key. Make sure to click on the command prompt window to activate it. Next, you need to type the following command: OOBE \bypass NRO and press enter. The system will restart. And here's the button I was talking about. Simply click I don't have internet, continue with limited setup, then enter your local user account name and password. Add security questions. And here's your Windows 11 with the local user account. Of course, if you decide to use a Microsoft account, just go to Start, Settings, Accounts, and sign into your Microsoft account, or create a new one. And that's it. Thank you for watching.